What's good, everyone? Audiolithic Mac once again. And in this video, while cutting to the chase, I'm going to show you how to properly use a preamp. Now, for an example, I am using the Rupert Neve 5211 preamp. It's a 2-channel preamp. 2 channels, right? It has gain right here, trim, cutoff frequency, high pass. That's cutoff frequency, high pass. And if I select this, I'm engaging. Deselect, I'm disengaging. Right here is the texture for the silk circuit. That's the transformer right here. And the rest is the meter right here from -10 to +22. And here is the phase right here, the phase button. Now, what I typically do is make sure everything on the gain side is at 0. You want both gains to be at 0. If you're working in stereo, which I am for this example, you want the trim to be flushed all the way to the right at the maximum. Why you want the trim to be flushed in the maximum position? It's because trim is used to decrease the amount of gain, right? Once you select this gain, and say, for instance, you go up to 24 dB and it's clipping, you use the trim to bring it back down some. So where it's not clipping. Do you understand? Now, I'm going to play some audio from my keyboard, right? So don't judge me, because I know the haters going to come in the comment section. Oh, you hating. You're hating. You're hating on FL Studio. You're hating on Nakai. I'm recording in FL Studio. And that's an MPCX that I purchased brand new. So Akai has got my money. So someone in Akai working for In Music, I contributed to their salary. So why am I hating on Akai? But I digress. So I'm going to play some audio, right? Just a simple little beat. What I'm going to do is start raising the gain. I'm looking at my levels right here. Okay, I'm in the orange right there. I'm currently at -12. So I go to the second channel and put it on -12 as well. Now, say if I want to push the levels up a bit, let me push the levels up 1 notch. And as you can see here, I'm in the red a little. So what should I do? Use the trim knob. So I will go to this channel here and start lowering the trim. Okay, I'm not in the red anymore. So I lowered it, 1, 2 clicks. So I'll go back to this, lower it 2 clicks. Still in the red. So I go a couple of clicks more. Around 3 o'clock. A little more. Still in the red. Neutral. Go back to neutral right here. neutral. Volume down. Right? So let me dial it back up. Dial it back to the plus mark until I see 0. Well, until I see red. I see red. Let me bring it back. Bring it back. Now let me go back to this. I'm right here, right under 3 o'clock. So let me bring this back, right under 3 o'clock. Right there. Make sure everything matches. And as you can see here, perfectly in the yellow. Now, that's how to properly stage a preamp. Now, am I hating? Because somebody gonna say, oh, you're showing us how to properly stage a preamp. You a hater. No, I'm not hating. I'm educating and showing you. And I don't care about whether I get paid from YouTube. You trying to get them to YouTube. No, I'm just showing you how to do it. And if you want to use this as a reference, once you purchase a preamp, it's perfectly fine. That's why I'm here, to show you. So, with that being said, that concludes this video. And I hope to see you soon. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, I appreciate it. I really do. Because I'm here to show you and help you to get this gear, to use this gear from an investing standpoint, and to motivate as well. Take care. Be blessed. Audiolithic Mac. Peace.